Hey team, welcome back to this another episode. So recently I got a client project from friend of mine, and basically he's from my local place, and I'm gonna design an invitation card for him. I'm not gonna teach you how to design an invitation card. I'm just gonna show you. The interesting part is I haven't done yet any invitation card in my design career. So let's go somewhere else and find inspiration there.
Cause I know that you do, and I know that's not you. Let's keep it fun and simple, easy come, easy go. Don't overthink things, baby. You've been a stranger lately. Cause I know that you do, and I know that's not you. Easy come, easy go. It's no sweat. 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 It's no sweat.
The clip you have just seen has solid some days before, and I took some inspiration from them, and it's time to integrate all the things on the paper.